Hi, Melissa Smith here at the PVA, and we're back talking about how to use virtual assistants for online courses, part 2. I have 3 minutes. Let's go. So in part 1, we talked about creating an organized list and how important that is. In part 2, we're going to talk about who this list is going to, right? Because it's not going to go the same to everybody. From that organized list, we're going to know who are your hot leads, who are your cold leads, who are not leads at all, but maybe they're partners, maybe they're affiliates, maybe they're just people who can support you. Maybe they're people who can say, hey, I think this is a really great idea, or maybe have you thought about this? Maybe they're proofreaders. Maybe they're people just to have another eyes on it. They can kind of be your mastermind for this group. But not everyone is the same. So you really want to make sure who this list is going to, who might be your early adopters, your evangelists, your tribe members. Send out those early invitations. Second, we are not really going to try to go after strangers this time around. While that may seem like a great way to reach a lot of people, it's really not. And you don't really know if those people know you and know your product or like your product, or can get critical feedback or constructive feedback that's actually useful for you going forward. It's really hard to go after strangers and pay the dollars and have people buy. That's just not the way it works, especially for an online class or someone who doesn't know you. It's hard enough to get people that know, like, and trust you to say, you know what, I'm going to invest in myself. I'm going to invest in this program. I'm going to take this step and go forward, let alone someone who's no idea who you are, right? Okay, so the third thing that you need to think about is the payment system. So you can have your VA set up a payment system for you, whether it's through Samcart or Stripe or PayPal. You want to make it really easy for someone to be able to pay you. So remove all the friction from that. That includes setting up the right words, the right terms, the right buttons in the right places, creating the right links, and then also setting up a system to where you know when someone went to your sales page and then left. You need to know how many people are coming there and how many people are leaving. You need to know if you're going to follow up with them. You need to know, like, hey, there's a lot of people coming here. We're getting them here, and something on this page is driving them away. You need to be able to make those decisions, make those changes, make those adjustments, and know that coming in. That's the last place you want to be, and you want to make some serious time and effort and focus on that, whether it be you or your VA, but someone needs to be monitoring that. You cannot know how many people are coming there and then not paying, right? So I'm out of time. So we're going to have another video. We're going to go to part 3. We're going to keep this discussion going. Make sure you get your free audiobook, subscribe to this page. And remember, I'm not just a virtual assistant. I'm also a business owner, an entrepreneur, CEO, online course provider, just like you, because you can't do it all yourself. See you in the next video.